Merge Pandas Dataframe based on boolean function. I am looking for an efficient way to merge two Pandas data frames based on a function that takes as input columns from both data frames and returns true or false. For example, assume I have the following tables. I would like to join df1 and df2 on each row where the sum of the first column is an even number. The resulting table would be Please think of it as a general problem, not as a task to return just df_3. The solution should accept any function that validates a combination of columns and return true or false. THX Laszlo.
This is a basic solution, but not very efficient if you are working on large data frames. Edit. Here is a better solution.
You can do with merge on parity. Output.
You can use broadcasting, or the outer functions, to compare all rows. You'll run into issues as the length becomes large. In this particular case, you might leverage the fact that even numbers maintain parity when added to even numbers, and odd numbers change parity when added to odd numbers, so define that column and merge on that.